Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you a super cool trick how to create grainy textured text in CapCut. It's a simple but aesthetic effect you can use for titles, edits or reels. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to create the texture for our text. Just open up Canva like this and then start a blank project. And then now go to elements and then search for some abstract backgrounds like this one. Just tap on it. Like this, and then just change up the colors and arrange them in abstract layout like this. For example like this, and when you're happy with it, just save the image. And then next, just open your CapCut, create new projects, and then just import the plain background. Choose ratio like this, and then just add your text on top. Just choose any font that you like, but make the color white so it pops. Next, just export the clips, and then go back to your projects, and then just delete the text, and then just import the texture image we made in Canva like this, and then just delete the black backgrounds, and then in here just head to effects, video effects, and then search for grainy, choose noise like this, and then just adjust the intensity like this. This will give it that nice grainy look. Next, just import the text clips that you exported earlier, but this time import it as an overlay like this, and then just adjust the size, and then go to splice and then darken like this. Now your text takes on the grainy pattern from the background, and then just export again, and then go back to your projects, delete all the elements, import the video that you just exported, and then just delete the patterns background like this, and then just go to effect again, and then video effect, and then search for edgy, this one, and then just adjust the speed, maybe like this. And that's it, you have got your custom grainy text ready to use. So that's how you create grainy text in CapCut using Canva and some simple effects. It's super easy, right? Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!